with me by Nelson Jinx from October 3rd of 2023. And what you're going to see here are multiple swarms above the Earth visible from the International Space Station. And I'm calling these super swarms because there's so many of these white objects, there's too many to even count. This is the original video in the original speed. I haven't done anything to this video. I haven't even zoomed in yet, but we're going to zoom in here in just a minute, and you're going to see, especially over here on the right-hand side, clusters of these white objects. In fact, here comes some right now. I'm calling them super swarms. There's just simply too many to count, and they're going in all different directions at various speeds. Don't know where they came from. Check that out. They're going in both directions. They're going towards each other. You have some moving from right to left, and you have some moving left to right. And again, they're moving at various speeds. Some are moving at incredibly high speeds, and some are moving incredibly slow, like these right there. There's a big cluster, a huge swarm of these white objects above the Earth of unknown origins. I mean, it almost looks like it's snowing over there at times. Just incredible footage sent in by Nelson from the International Space Station. You see some high-speed ones over here on the left. Over here is where the highest concentrations of the white objects seem to be the most obvious over here on the right. There are literally dozens and dozens and dozens, just way too many to even count. And notice the high-speed ones over here on the left. Don't know what those things were. They all appear to be about the same size. Some may be slightly bigger than others. They appear to have reflective properties or some sort of light around them, whatever they may be. I don't know if they're reflecting sunlight or if they have their own light source. They almost appear to have some sort of a propulsion system. Right there, did you see that huge fleet of those objects moving from left to right? And they were moving faster than the other objects. The objects moving from the bottom up appear to be moving slower than the objects coming from the top towards the bottom. Just an incredible display of mysterious objects high above the Earth, at least 250 miles above the Earth, probably not visible from the ground. But look at those. Look at all those things. A super swarm of white objects above the Earth, visible on October 3rd of 2023. And right here, I zoomed in on one of the many swarms over here on that right-hand side. And see how thick the swarm is? Way too many to even count. And you got to ask yourself, what are these things? Where did they come from? And where are they going? Do they stay above the Earth? Are they just constantly swarming the Earth? Or do they land somewhere? What are these things above the Earth that, as you can see, there are hundreds and hundreds of these things. And coming up right here, you're going to see a very dense, right here, you're going to see a very dense patch of these white objects right here. Here they come. Check this out. Too many, once again, to even count. Right there. There they go. Look at that. Looks like it's snowing up there, visible from the International Space Station. Again, you got to ask yourself, where did they come from and where are they going? Excellent video, once again, sent in by Nelson.